you and a heartfelt namaste. I, Anuradha Sharda, would like to thank all of you for watching our videos, writing in your comments and your suggestions. Today we have with us Mr. VP Goyal. Sir, pranam.
Namaskar.
Sir is going to hold a webinar on combustion and retrograde with us, and we're going to talk about retrograde planets today. Sir, what is so special about retrograde planets?
There is nothing special if we see.
Right, sir.
Retrograde is just a observation. It is not a mathematical fact.
Right, it's not.
It's just observation because we are observing it from Earth.
Right.
Okay. And all the planets, they have their relative motion except Sun and Moon. So they never retrograde.
Right.
Okay. Only thing is, retrogression or a planet in retrograde, why he seems to be retrograde, there is a mathematical aspect.
Right.
And there is a astrological predictive aspect also.
Yes.
This we will talk in detail in our webinar.
Right, sir.
But as a light humor, I will say, if I am going in a market and I see a beautiful face, okay.
Take a minute off. Yeah.
So impulsively,
One waits and observes. Yes.
people will turn back and have a second look.
Yes.
So that is retrogression. When a planet turns back.
Right.
Because what we see, planets also behave as we behave. This is my dictum always.
Yes. Yes, sir.
That they do what you will do under the same circumstances.
Yes, absolutely. And it's a golden dictum for that matter.
Yes. So this is retrogression.
Right, sir.
So what is happening, what I want to demonstrate today or give the point, that beautiful face came all of a sudden in front of me.
And yeah.
I was not going after that.
No.
It just met me.
And it can.
Okay. So there is an element of surprise and suddenness. So this surprise can be a good surprise and can be a bad surprise.
Right.
Suppose you turn back and instead of a beautiful girl, you find a sick standing there.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So it can give suddenness to an event.
Yes.
So normally, when we talk of dashas, etc., what we say that Pratyantar dasha is the carrier of the instructions of Mahadasha and Antardasha.
Yes, this is you've always said that yes, they
Yes.
will have yes.
So, if Pratyantar dasha can find the address, then he will go and deliver it. So, delivery of the result is by PD Lord. And if the PD Lord happens to be retrograde, see, I am not saying that only retrograde can deliver the letter. No. Any PD can deliver. which is connected to that house or house lord.
Right.
But if the house is locked, he will go and deliver the letter to the house
Yes.
owner.
Yeah.
And the PD should know the address. He should know that house or house lord, that where I am to go.
Yeah. So some connection with that house or house lot should be there.
Should be there during transit or the PD. Transit is later on. First, the PD must know the address.
Right.
So, how he can know the address? PD may be sitting with the house lord, inspecting the house lord, etc. Then only he knows the address.
Right.
Okay. So, generally, I have seen that a Pratyantar Dasha lord, when it is retrograde and is connected to a house or a house lord, then he will deliver the result of that house all of a sudden.
Okay. So you're not aware of what's going to happen. All of a
Suddenly it
sudden.
will happen.
Oh. So
It
you're
can be good, it can be
can be
bad.
bad. So sir,
Depends upon the house.
house. Yes. Sir, so say sir, the third house, if I take an example of, though I know that you generally do not take the third house to be a very good house, but the third house also gives us sudden events in life, and if there is a
Sudden events, and also without third house effort, you cannot progress in life.
life. Okay.
Why I say third house? That you are courageous. I don't want to be courageous. That is what I was saying.
Right.
I want third house to be strong
Right.
so that the person can make efforts.
To be to do what they want to
Yes.
do.
So if the Pratyantar of third house lord connected comes, the person will make extra effort
To do those kind of a work.
to do the work.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, sir, the dictum here that we are going to work on is that whenever there is a pratyantar dasha of a planet which is retrograde,
Yes.
then all of a sudden
The
events happen, whether good or bad.
yes, will have a element of suddenness. What is the element of suddenness? Accident.
Okay. Yeah.
Sudden promotion,
Okay.
sudden demotion. That you reach office and the boss says, take your salary and go.
Oh.
You never knew till the last night, and today you are fired.
Or sir, sudden change of plans where you now today you are said that see you have 3 days and you have to go abroad.
Yes,
You have to go
sudden
abroad.
things happen.
Okay. And sir, finally, one question that is that actually many minds have this thing that the dasha, antardasha, pratyantar dasha of a retrograde planet is never stable, does not give the desired results or the predicted results. Since you work a lot
No,
on retrograde
no,
planet,
no,
my
no,
question to you is this for our audience.
no, no. As I said earlier, retrograde is no difference, not different at all.
Okay, sir.
I will tell you in the webinar because I will have to tell you what all people have said.
Yes. The classics
What
have
are
a
the
very,
class?
yeah, the classics have a lot of
Lot of
myths
things to
to
say
say
about
about
it.
retrograde.
And when you apply it on 10-20 charts, it will not happen.
Yes. Yeah.
It is not coming more than 50%. So until in astrology your percentage of accuracy is above 60 or 70%, you
Can't make
cannot
it
say it is a rule. Because 50% this way or that way,
that way.
whether a boy will be born or a girl will be
Very
born.
bon- Right.
You are always right.
Right.
50%.
Yes.
Okay. So these dictums, I will tell you the method,
How to check and how to
how
see
to interpret
it. Right.
the result of a retrograde planet.
Right, sir. So
My
today,
theme will be that, and that theme will take only 2 minutes to tell you.
and sir, the combustion aspect also, and the Uच्च Bhang that you said you would be covering with.
In retrogression, because it is given in all the classics that exalted planet behave like a debilitated, debilitated behave like a exalted. But we do not find it.
Yes.
So what is the catch?
Right.
In that context, I will tell you.
Right, sir.
Please bhang your answer.
So we
Okay.
have, yes, sir. So we have two examples that we'd like to mm, ask you, sir. One is your own example, sir, where,
Sanjay Gandhi.
yes, sir.
Okay, and Sanjay Gandhi.
Right, sir.
Now you see, Sanjay Gandhi died in a air crash
Yes, all of a sudden. Yeah, that was a
all
sudden.
of a sudden.
Right, sir.
Dasha was Moon, Mercury, and Saturn. Saturn is retrograde. See, other things are there. They are promising it. Now you see, Saturn is sitting in seventh house,
Yes, and it's also the Lord of the Second.
Lord of second, right? Sitting in seventh house, Marak house, and is retrograde.
Hmm.
Moon is in eighth house.
Hmm.
Mercury, that way if you say it is only afflicted, okay, that's all. But what I say, the events in Pratyantar of Saturn was sudden.
Yes.
He went for flying early morning, got up happily,
Hmm.
and he crashed. So, if it was normal, not a retrograde planet, this suddenness will not be there. Then he will die in some other way,
Hmm.
not suddenly,
Okay.
right?
So the sir, the Markesh here, it could have also given anything good also. It could have given him a pad prapti all of a sudden, that is
Yes,
position also. But
position also.
it took a sad turn because a transit could have triggered it off.
But I am not going into that.
Right,
I am just trying to convey that when the Pratyantar Dasha of a retrograde planet
right.
is going on in your horoscope,
It will
check
be
it carefully
right.
what result it can give.
Hmm.
So avoid taking risky steps.
Sir, on this, since you are the master of divisional charts, I'm just asking another question. Sir, then when I get a small indication that it could act as a marika, it could give
Yes.
small problems, then do you check the relevant divisional chart also?
Yes, you have to. You have to. Because D1 is only a master chart.
Right, sir.
It's the mother of all charts.
Okay, sir. Sir, in your chart, what event happened, sir? What
No,
your
no,
trans?
that is why I asked. That on 11th September 1972, my marriage was fixed.
Right, sir.
I was in field area
Hmm.
and a lot of time. So four officers, five officers,
Right, sir.
those who were staying together,
Right, sir.
we all went to a movie,
Right.
9 to 12.
Hmm.
I was a novice driver. I had just learnt driving, Fauji Jeep, and we had taken a good amount of alcohol. So while returning at 1 o'clock in the night, because after the picture also, we took 1 month pack. Because in Fauj, in field area,
Right, sir.
they
Yeah, I
always
mean,
keep daru
the
in the vehicle.
alcohol in the
Normally,
way. Alcohol in the
normally,
way. Yes, sir.
रहेगा साथ में.
Ji, sir.
And I met a very serious accident. I was in hospital for 6 to 7 months, and hospital people, they had even given a telegram to my home that if you want to see his face, come. Last darshan karne hain, so you can have that. But somehow I survived. See the position. Dasha was Venus, Venus, Ketu. I was learning astrology, but I did not know the implications. Everybody used to say Venus is exalted. Ah, maja aa raha hai. But they do not see that Venus is retrograde. My Venus Mahadasha started on 29th or 30th November 69, October.
Right.
And the same day, I moved to join service as class 1. Venus, 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 Venus. Up to 5th level. Okay. Now you see Venus, Venus, Ketu and Venus was the dasha when I met with that serious accident. Now, Ketu is the PD. Ketu here is again in 7th house. Marak house, acting like a Marak. Aspected by Jupiter, which is also retrograde. Aspected by Saturn. Thank God, Saturn is the lord of 9th house also. Right? So it was very serious.
So because Jupiter as the Maraka will make sure that this is as severe it can get, and because Saturn is the
8th
ninth
lord
lord,
also.
so at eighth lord it gave problems, but it also because ninth lord it saved you also.
Okay. No. The saving factor is something different.
Okay, sir.
Saturn is there, I agree.
Right.
Saturn is saving factor, but Saturn is again spoiled by Mars.
Yeah, aspect of
Trishadaya.
Trishadaya Lord, yeah.
What is the saving factor?
Jupiter, because it
No,
is
no.
also the lord of the.
Let people decide that.
Okay, sir.
Find
Yeah.
out that.
Right. And sir, another question here that since you mentioned that was the time when you got engaged. So by the seventh house was operating because marriage was supposed to
Yes.
take place. So it suddenly it gives you an engagement, a marriage.
Sudden engagement also.
Yeah. So sudden engagement also. It's not that it gives you only wrong things or
Wrong
things.
thing.
It gave you a
Yeah. Engagement also it gave.
so it gave a sudden engagement and a sudden accident also.
Yes. Because I had not said yes for marriage or engagement.
Right.
I met my present wife at the railway station
Right.
when I was boarding a train.
Okay.
Okay, going back to duty,
Right.
and did not reply anything. My father was waiting, 2 months, 1 month I think he waited.
And then he
And
replied.
then all of a sudden, I received a parcel from my father that your marriage has been fixed. whether you say yes or no.
Or not, because that was the norm in those days.
Yes.
Okay, so it's been a
Yeah.
very exciting story that we have heard about, sir. But the crux of the matter is that the any planet, retrograde planet, is not going to give you just the wrong results. It gave him engagement also. So we know that retrograde planets give results, but very suddenly, right?
Certainly.
So
So
if
that
you are
is the topic today.
right, sir. So if you are interested in our webinar, please do write to us, or you can directly log into our websites and book your seat for the webinar. Thank you very much. Thank you so much, sir, for the
Namaskar.